Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom 2.0TD 130PS 290 Limited front-wheel drive L2 engine noisy still runs genuine 49k low miles. Body, grey, panel van. Mileage, 49,498. MOT, the 29th of May 2025. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 130 PSA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, takes a few more cranks to start than average, runs with a knock. Bottom end bearings are squealing. Engine will need repairing or replacing grin. Condition summary, bodywork is extremely clean and tidy. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 1 former keeper, full service history, air con, electric windows, parking sensors, 3 keys. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Cap retail, £11,550. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp